Geltbox Money stands out in the crowded world of personal finance tools for its unique offline capabilities and highly customizable features. When you first launch the app, you're greeted with a straightforward interface designed to help you quickly organize your finances. Unlike many other apps, Geltbox Money doesn't rely on external servers to sync your financial data. This ensures a higher level of privacy, which is a major concern for users who value data security. The software supports multi-currency accounts, which is perfect for anyone managing finances across different countries. Adding your bank accounts, credit cards, and even cash accounts is seamless. Geltbox Money automatically retrieves transaction data without needing to provide your sensitive login credentials to third-party aggregators. This sets it apart from traditional finance apps that often compromise privacy for convenience. The budgeting feature is highly flexible, allowing you to set personalized spending goals. You can track your expenses by category and visualize your spending habits over time using the app's clear and intuitive graphs. Another great aspect is the ability to import financial data from multiple formats, including Excel and CSV files, making it easy for users switching from other finance tools. A standout feature is the software's auto-sync function. You can configure it to fetch data from websites or files on your computer without manual input, saving time and effort. This works especially well if you handle multiple accounts across various platforms. The security measures in Geltbox Money are also worth noting. Since everything is stored locally on your device, there's no risk of your financial data being leaked to a cloud-based system. The offline capability gives you full control over your information. For usability, Geltbox Money offers customizable dashboards, so you can choose which data is most relevant to display. This adaptability makes it a great tool for users ranging from financial novices to advanced planners. The app isn't without its challenges, though. Some new users might find the initial setup slightly technical, especially when configuring data fetching. However, once you're set up, the ongoing use is smooth and intuitive. Overall, Geltbox Money is an excellent choice for those who prioritize security, flexibility, and multi-currency support. If you're looking for a personal finance app that respects your privacy while offering robust financial management features, Geltbox Money deserves a closer look. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and financial tips.